Hi everybody, Old Iron Will here. Today I'm going to work on my 3-axis digital readout that I've ordered for my round column milling machine. So I'm going to see if we can figure out how we're going to get this all mounted up and working, and so I can start doing a little bit more milling and a little more accurate and just make it a lot easier to work with. So stick around, let's see if we can get this figured out. So everybody, this is turning into a lot bigger project than I ever anticipated. So I'm probably just going to bring you through as I get some updates and stuff done. I've ended up having to pull the tables and the slides and everything like that all off to be able to get around to drilling and mounting the glass slide on this one. So anyways, got pieces everywhere right now. Lots of mess going on, so I'll bring you back in a while, show you what's happening. I've decided now, maybe while I'm at it, I'll probably give this thing a really good cleaning and make sure everything's nice and lubricated up, and as we're going through this now. So I'm this far into it, I might as well do that up. Oh, here we go, guys. Let's see what happens. So. Well guys, I think that's probably it for this video. I still got to do the Z-axis. I got to think about how I want to do that one. This took a whole lot longer than I anticipated, so still got to tidy up the wires, and you know, the stop and stuff needs to be put back on here. But so far, the X and the Y, they seem to be working. So now I got to read up on how to run that thing. I have no idea. I've never ran one before, so but I think it'll be a big help. So yeah, the glass slides for the X and Y axis are now installed. So got the stiffening support on there. So did a bit of a cleanup on it. So we're gonna be good to go here pretty quick. Thanks everybody. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk with you on the next video.